Hi everyone, welcome back to the GuideHub YouTube channel. Today for this video of GuideHub, I will be showing you how to change Hotmail password. Now to begin the process, open a Google browser on your PC. You can use any browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in hotmail.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official Outlook page as Hotmail is a Outlook account as well. So now once you're at the Outlook, you need to click on sign in and get logged in into the account by providing the correct account credential. Type in the account email address, that is the Hotmail email address over here. Click on next. Type in the password. Click on sign in. Now once you have been signed in into the Hotmail account of yours, you need to tap on the profile name on the top right corner on your screen. Click that. Then there you need to click on My Microsoft account. Click open that. It will direct you to the space over here in Microsoft. There in this space, you need to click on your information on the top. It will direct you to the space of your info. Here on this your info page, you need to click on change password security. Click that. You need to verify your identity before you be able to change the password. Click on it. Microsoft will send a code to the number that you have for the recovery on Microsoft account. Type in the last 4 digits of your number and then click on send code. Now you wait for the code to be received on your phone number. Once you do that, once you receive it, you need to type in over here. As I have received my code, I'm gonna type in that code on this text box over here to begin the further process of changing the password. Then click on verify over here. And with that, you will be directed to this page where you will be able to change the password for the Hotmail account. To do that, you will need to type in your current password. And below, you type in the new password. Retype the same password on the below text box for the confirmation. Then click on save. This will change your password for the Hotmail account right away. With that, you have been logged out and asked to log in into your account by providing the updated password. So type in the new password over here on this text box and then tap on sign in. Click on sign in. There you can see you have been logged in into the account with the new password that you have just updated. So this is how you can change your password in Hotmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the GuideHub YouTube channel. Thank you.